Once a Trinity reaching your vet is nice. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mickisha. If it's your first time here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title, this is a mattress review. This is the Nectar Mattress review. This video is not sponsored. I purchased this mattress with my own coins. Here's my mattress, my old mattress, which is a Macy's pillow top mattress that I got back in New York. So I've had this mattress for about 7 years and it's no longer working for me. I have a lot of back pains. It's not cushioning any of my pressure points at all, and I am a side sleeper. So I'm just moving that mattress out. Now here's the box that the Nectar mattress came in. The box is pretty taped up, looks beat up. I'm using a box cutter just to cut the box open. So I've taken the mattress out of the box. I'm using the cutting tool that came with the mattress, and I'm just cutting the excess plastic off of the mattress. So this was a bit of a struggle. All right, so I'm flipping it over. It comes with a mattress cover, and it comes with 2 pillows. So you're gonna see the 2 pillows. The pillows are actually wrapped in with the mattress here at the bottom, as you see. So I'm just flipping it over so that once the air fills up the mattress, that it's already on its right side and I don't have to flip it too much. Alright, so finally I got it to be flat on the right side, and I'm just going to use that cutting tool again and just cut through the mattress so the air goes in. So the instructions said to leave it for about 72 hours so that it can fully expand. So that is exactly what I did. Cut it open, released the pillows and everything, and just left it to expand fully for that time. So here's the mattress, as well as the 2 pillows that came in with it. So now it's 48 hours later, and I've decided to make up the bed. I still didn't sleep on the bed this night. I still left it again for another 24 hours. But I just decided to make it up. And it actually came with a free pillows. I ordered a mattress protector for it, and also came with sheets and pillowcases, a sheet set. So I'm just making up the bed, pretty straightforward. If you guys are curious, this bedspread is a really nice soft yellow, and I got it from Target. And if you guys are also interested, the bed here is a queen size bed that I got from Macy's. The actual name I'm not sure, but I got the bed from Macy's. Had to test out the mattress a little bit. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to come really quickly and give you guys a update review. I got this mattress on April 21st. So I've had it for a while now. Today is July 5th. And I'm editing this video now, just giving you guys an update on how I really feel about the mattress. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'll give this mattress like a 7.5, 8. If I'm being generous. It's definitely better than the pillow top mattress that I had before, but I was expecting something more along the lines of like a 9 out of 10. Nectar does have a really good return policy. It's like 306, like a year. I think like 365 days, like a year, that you could try out the mattress for. I was thinking about returning it, but the purple mattress that I would want to get in place of this, it's like an additional $500, and I really don't want to spend $500 on top of what I already spent for this mattress. So as of right now, I'm going to hold on to the mattress. If I do change my mind, I'll definitely come on here and let you guys know, but for now it's doing its job. I wish it was just a little bit better, but it's not bad, honestly. So that's just my thoughts on the mattress. If you have any questions for me, feel free to ask me in the comment section down below. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. All who did not know me when not done, they gonna know the name. Million people coming down, dancing to a song.